Hey YouTube. Today I will be showing you my teeth from when I was little. Yeah. So here's some of my teeth. Those are my teeth. I fell out. This is my cavity, and it fell out. I don't know why, but it fell out. Yeah. Hold on. There's another one. Sharp tooth. I still have sharp teeth. I think this is the bottom part of my teeth. Yeah. And they're still good. Nothing happened. And these are not different teeth. This is a single tooth, and this is a single tooth, but, this fell on the ground, and it cracked. It went into, and, yeah. Yeah, there's another tooth, and another tooth. I think this goes in the bottom, and I think this is in the bottom or top. Second. There's another tooth that goes in two, that, broke in two. Hold on. Yeah, it broke in two, because it fell on the ground. And here's more teeth. And this one broke in two, too. That's weird. 3 sets of teeth that broke in two. Yeah. Hold on. And my last one is this. And this one broke in two, too. Hold on. It looks kind of weird inside of a tooth. It's broken into. It has some, little stuff in there. I don't know. It's blurry. But, yeah, yeah. They're both in two. Right now. I lost my mono for two, and I'm looking for it. So it's such a mess. Can't find it. Sucks. I let my friend borrow Black Ops, and he let me borrow Central 3rd. No, it gets boring. Central gets boring. Oh, and Battlefield 2. If you have Battlefield 2, or if you have played it online, dude, it's really, you barely can get a kill. But in Battlefield 3, you can get normal kills. Something was wrong with their engine in Battlefield 2. Yeah, so, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Yeah, okay, we'll see ya.